Lisa. Welcome to my channel. My channel is called The House of Jane, after my cat, who I dearly love, and she does own this house, so thus The House of Jane. Today I am going to be opening up a very beautiful and exclusive quilting box called Tilda Club. This is my first box. It is curated by a lovely woman named Julie, and she has a website called Intrepid Threads. And she has actually various websites, like on Instagram and stuff like that, called Intrepid Threads. And the Intrepid Thread, bleh, I'm not going to start this video over again, but the Intrepid Thread, located in San Jose, California. I used to live out in Mountain View, so I know that area very well, and it's really a nice place to live. So, let me stop babbling and get this box open. Like I said, this is my first box. I'll put down in the description her website. She does open the box like every 4 to 6 months for new members, and I'll put down what I paid for it as well. So, here we go. Open it up, and like I said, it is packed. And here's a really nice card from Julie, and I love the quote on the card because it's very true. It says, "A friend is one who overlooks your broken fence and admires the flowers in your garden." It's by Unknown. So that is very true, and she actually lists everything in the box, and she personalizes it. She wrote, "Dear Lisa, love Julie." And she does give you the retail value for the stuff in the box. So first things first is little notions. I'm going to open it up. Very cute bag. And speaking of notions, when I joined the club, she sent me this bag separately in the mail, and which I thought was really lovely. And what it is, it's this little key ring where you put down your Tilda stash. These are little wood pieces, and it opens up here. You can unscrew it. And what she did is she included, again, another little lovely note. And she included these little templates that you just pop out this little hole and put it on the key ring. And what this is for is she stapled her fabric on here so you can take it to a fabric store. You have a swatch of your fabric, and then you could find coordinating colors, and other fabrics that will go with your Tilda stash. So, wonderful idea. I am definitely going to use it when I can go out. I don't go out much these days. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty much homebound. I do work from home, which I'm fortunate to do that. Okay, here's my notions. The first thing is a red zipper, a little red tab, and a piece of elastic red nylon. And this is all for a notebook sleeve. She does have a forum on Facebook for the Tilda Club, and she puts all her patterns there, PDF patterns. So this is for, at least the elastic cord and the fold over piece are for a notebook sleeve, which I saw it on her Facebook group, and it was lovely. And this is for the project. This zipper is for a pouch project, which she's included in this box. She's also included a really cute pin by Riley Blake, and mine says Peace Quilting. Very cute. I will put the pin somewhere, probably pin it to some fabric, like a little bag or something. And then this dropped in my lap. It's a strop waffle caramel. Yummy, yummy. This kind of looks like what you get on airplanes, maybe. I'll save this for my son because he loves this kind of stuff. I love it too, but I'm going to give it to my kid. Before I get to the fabric, There's also a mini hot pink Rulapal, which I don't have one of these, and I really need this. I need it like no tomorrow. If you saw what was going on at this table, you'd be horrified. But, oh, it's by Pleasant Home, and it's wood. And you just stick your rulers in there. So, I like it a lot, and I love the pink color. I'm kind of girly like that. So, thank you. I did notice this wasn't on the card, so I wonder if she just threw it in for new members. I don't know, but it's really helpful to have that. Okay, here's the fabric, and she put everything in a really cute little wax paper bag, and it's called Tilda Club. And this is what the bundle looks like. And oh my, I love it. The first thing is Be Cute Ribbon by Lori Holt of Be My Bonnet, and there's 4 different ribbons on there. Hope you can see that. 2 yards each. Wow, that's generous. I love ribbon because it can make really nice embellishments on anything you're making. And here is the So Joyful fabric. And it does feel joyful. I mean, who would have thunk that I'd be like going gaga over fabrics? I was not the home ec type of girl when I was growing up. I was actually quite the rebel. And as I've gotten older, I've become more domesticated, let's just put it that way. Especially with the sewing type of crafts. So, who would have thunk? There, I'm going to take the whole thing out. This is just adorable. Oh, wow. And the fabric is really soft, too. This is the first fat quarter. Tilda's World Bon Voyage collection. This is the second one. Very pretty, like, flowers. This is just gorgeous. This is why I joined the Tilda Club, because of the fabric. And just the personalization in her Facebook group, in the emails. She also does YouTube videos, show you how to make a lot of the projects. I love it. And you know, you're not pressured to like participate. If you want to just be a lurker and, you know, watch and download the patterns and make them in your leisure, that's totally fine. There's no pressure to be like an active participant. Here's the fourth one. The fifth one. Very pretty. And the last one. So that is 6 beautiful, soft, fat quarters. And I appreciate it. I really do. And the last thing we have is a project. It's on really stiff paper. I don't know why she puts it on such stiff paper, but it's called the Tilda Essentials pouch. And it's two-sided. One side is for tissues, like a regular tissue holder, and then the other side, if you flip it over, this is where you use the zipper that she provided, and you could put anything in that zippered pouch. So you can use this essentially for anything. I did look at this before I did the video. She puts like tissues on one end and like Purell and her mask in the other end. But you can use it for whatever you want. Tissues on one end and maybe like makeup or something on the other end. So that is it. I am very happy. This is not something I could like go to the store and buy each piece for myself. It would take so much time And I love that she provided everything for us in a beautiful box. I mean, this box was just stuffed. And the project that she provided, or I can use it for any other project I have in a book or download from her website. And like I said, I bought it for the fabric. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. If you're into this kind of like, looks like Liberty fabric, if you're into this, this is your jam. You should definitely check her out. And if you're able to, subscribe to her subscription box. So tell me what you thought of everything. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It costs you nothing to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like my video, you can give it a thumbs down. I'm open to all constructive, nice criticism. And please subscribe. It's free. It's free to subscribe to the House of Jane, and that way you'll just, see what's going on in my life. And I'd love to know what's going on in your life, so you can tell me in the comments what's going on in your life. What are you doing these days? Are you stuck? Are you trying to travel somewhere? Like, are you able to travel? Are things open? I'm just curious to know what everybody's doing. So thank you for watching, and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.